Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Expanse Season 5, Episode 1. As you can see, I'm really excited to be there for new episodes of The Expanse for this Season 5. If you don't know me, if you're discovering my channel with this video, maybe you don't know it, but I binge watched the entire show and I posted my reaction videos about the entire show. And you can see me with these videos falling in love with the show little by little. And spoiler alert, it ended with me going to a Comic-Con only for The Expanse to meet the cast, to watch the premiere of the first episode of the season 4, to have signatures, you know, on a poster. Go watch that, you know, if you didn't see it. Okay, so I think that I didn't see you guys, you know, for The Expanse since the trailer, because you know me, I'm watching only trailers for seasons, not for episodes, and I'm avoiding, you know, promotional pictures and sneak peeks and stuff like that. It was so hard, really, for this season 5 to avoid stuff on Twitter. So each time I was like, no, quick, I don't want to see it, I don't want to see it. I just saw, you know, willingly, the posters of this season 5 with all of the characters, and they were great. At some point I was almost like, is this Hunger Games? Because, you know, with the fire and all of them, it was almost like a poster for Hunger Games. That was fun, but you know, that was just a funny joke. I'm not really believing that. And oh yes, since the last time that I saw you for The Expanse, you know, in a video we had announced that we're only gonna have one more season after that. The season 6 is gonna be the last one. I was conflicted about that. I shared my thoughts about it, you know, on Twitter with you guys. I was conflicted about it. At first I was like, no! I want this show to continue. I want to see more about it. One more season, 2 more seasons, you know, to discover it's not enough. And after that I was like, okay, it's based on books, so ask to the persons who read the books if it's enough or not. 2 seasons to finish the story. Are they gonna have the time to do that? Or are they gonna be forced to do some things, you know, some actions shorter, to not develop some of the characters because of that? I was really worried about that, and you guys answered to me and you were like, normally they're gonna have the time to do everything. If they are continuing to respect the books like they are doing right now, they should have the time to do that. So I was like, okay, why not? That's gonna be difficult for me to say goodbye to this show, but why not? And on the same night, the account, you know, the Twitter account of James S.A. Curry, so Ty behind it, tweeted some things like, guys, calm down, wait for it. Something like that, you know, I don't have the words really in my mind, but it was something like that. A lot of people were commenting something like, with the story that you wrote, maybe we can finish the show right there with the season 6, it's gonna be okay, but for the rest, can we have movies? So now I'm voting for that. I'm rooting for that, really, because I trust you guys, the ones who read the books. I trust you. If you guys are telling me that we can finish the story in a good way with the time that the story needs in 2 seasons, I believe you, I trust you on that. Let's go. Okay, the season 6 is gonna be the final one. That's gonna be hard, difficult, painful to say goodbye to this show, but okay, why not? But because of the fact that I want more, I'm also okay to have movies, you know, about this show. And because also I think that Amazon Prime, you know, Amazon, it would be a good idea to make movies based on The Expanse. I think that the community behind The Expanse around the world, you know, is really strong and is really present and active. And I don't know for you guys, but I subscribed to Amazon only for The Expanse. Like, I don't see anything else on Amazon that would make me stay, really. I have to be honest with that. For the rest of the catalog, if you know a petition, you know, if you know some places where we can root for that together, give me that, you know, give me that. Not on YouTube, because I'm not allowing links, you know, on the comments, because of the fact that a lot of persons are putting porn links. A lot of trolls, of course, are putting porn links or stuff like that, so links are not allowed right now on YouTube, but on Twitter, go tell me that on Twitter. This season 5, what are we gonna have during this season 5? What I read, you know, what I thought about the trailer of the season 5, it's the fact that all of the characters, all of the Rocinante crew is gonna be separated. All of them, they're gonna have their own issues, their own stuff to resolve. Like, we saw already that Amos is gonna go on Earth. We're gonna know more about his past. We're gonna have an all narrative arc for him, to discover him, to develop his character, to spend time with him. I love Amos. If you didn't if you didn't understand that with this excitement moment, I love Amos, so I'm glad. And we know also that Naomi, of course, is gonna go to search for her son, her ex. I have conflicted feelings about him, because of the fact that he's gonna be such a great character. I can already feel it. It's gonna be interesting, because, you know, the reasons for why he's doing all of that, we can understand some of them, but how he's doing it, no. And yes, you know, the character is gonna be great, but at the same time, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Because I'm gonna be conflicted about him, you know, his principle versus what he's really doing, and also because we know that he's not gonna be a good ally for us, so I'm like, guy, I can't love you. Our love is not possible. No, it's not because of the fact that the actor is hot. No, I'm not gonna let you say that. No. So yes, Naomi is gonna search for her son. Amos is gonna have his own adventure on Earth. Chris Ren is not doing politics anymore. It's what is gonna happen for Chris Ren? And with the trailer, I had the impression that Holden was gonna be all alone. You know, that he was gonna be the only one who is gonna stay in the Rocinante or around it, and he's gonna be the only one who is gonna be focused on the proto. Like, everyone is gonna have stuff to deal with, their own stories, but also with the situation, the political situation, with all of these different sides and a war coming or already there, all of that. But I have the impression that Holden is gonna be the only one who is gonna be like, hey, we still have the proto to worry about, we still have something right there, you know? We were on that planet and all, do you remember that? All of you guys? Hey-oh! At the end of the last season, we lost Miller for good this time. I'm not gonna survive, you know, if Miller is coming back in a form or in another. I'm not gonna survive. We lost him once, then he came back, then we lost him because he disappeared, and then he came back again. Right there, normally, we lost him for good. I mean, his spirit and all, that's it, that was the end. I'm not gonna survive, really, if Miller is gonna come back. With you coming and saying goodbye, and coming and saying goodbye, too hard. I think that Amazon had a pretty brilliant idea, you know, with putting 3 episodes for us and then 1 episode for 1 week, because it's gonna give them, the writers, enough time to present us the new issues for this season, to present us where the characters are now in their lives and all, and what they're gonna do during this season, to present us, you know, really what this season is gonna be about, but also to give us an idea of the mood of the season, you know. Is it gonna be dark like it was never before? Is it gonna be, you know, what the mood is gonna be, really what the atmosphere is gonna be during this season. And it's gonna give us also enough stuff, you know, enough actions, not only presentation, you know, all of this information that I just said, but also enough actions, enough interesting moments like that to get us excited. So we're gonna talk about it on Twitter and all, so we're gonna make theories about what is gonna happen next. We're gonna wait, you know, for the new episode, and we're gonna be like, we want to see it, we want to see it, and when a new episode is gonna come, we're gonna talk about it even more because we're gonna wait for the new one. I think that putting, you know, a show like that on these platforms like Amazon, like Netflix and all, that's a good idea. That can give you an idea of what this season is gonna be, because, you know, we are fans of the show, but new viewers or viewers who are just watching it like that, who are not excited like us, they're gonna be pleased or not by these 3 episodes, and they're gonna know with these 3 episodes if they're gonna watch the entire season or not. Watch it! You have to watch it! Of course you have to watch it! But see, that's a good way to do it for The Expanse, but also for other shows. I think that they should do it like that for many shows on these platforms. That's my opinion. I'm gonna stop talking right now and I'm gonna begin this first episode. I'm so excited! You don't see it, but my foot is dancing right now. I'm really like... I'm excited to be back, to discover this season, but also to be back with you guys. You know how much I love this community, the Screaming Fire Orcs. I discovered you, you know, when I began to binge watch this show, I discovered this community and you were so kind, so patient and also so respectful to not tell me any spoilers along my binge watching, and you are so active on the comments and you are so nice with me and all. I fell in love with the show and with this community, so I'm glad to be back with the show but also with this community. The fact that we're gonna spend 2 months, maybe a little more together, that's already making me really happy, because I know that I'm gonna meet you guys each week and I know that we're gonna spend a good time together. You know me, I love to make reaction videos, I'm making them for fun, but I love even more to talk with you guys on the comments, so I'm really glad to be back for these 2 reasons. Let's go for the episode 1! I'm excited, but now I'm stressed. Where does it come from? No, I'm just excited, come on. Let's just be excited, we're back! Yes, I'm a kid and I'm eating a chocolate each morning because it's Christmas and all. That's a long intro. I hope that you're still there. During this recap they are talking a lot about, you know, each character's past. Sorry. I'm a child. Oh, I want to watch that really in a theater. Picture is...
Scopes saw them first and tracked them longest. And there's certain these rocks were not on any known track.
I think we're gonna have to recalibrate the sensors and reboot the array.
Alright, well, do it, but step lively.
Why I don't have hope for you staying alive?
In less than 2 days.
Sensor and comm arrays are offline.
That's why.
It felt like something hit us.
No, something is coming. They're gonna be surprised.
Hull breach, deck 6. Seal it off, everybody gear up!
It was not just rocks coming. Philip? It's you?
We just got here, we did it!
Don't kill her, kid?
Show me where.
I know he's not a kid, but you've got me. I don't like that.
Good to go, okay? Good to go. Take this to the ship.
Oh, you're too far, Philip. He's already so involved into all of what his father is doing. He's not just killing people and stealing stuff, he's ordering that. It's weird, you know, they're on space and all, and I'm feeling cold. You're stuck. They're gonna leave you there. Oof. Oh, you're lost. It's too far, I said. No! Oh, you're really too far, Philippe. I mean, if we had some hope, you know, for Naomi, making him change his mind and all. This credit. Oh. I'm searching. Who is on Tycho right now?
That's all we get for using the ship to drag 100 times its mass with a fuel-mounted railgun.
Naomi? These movements of camera is to remind us that we're on space, we have this thing with gravity, we can see their shoes.
Sasaki, you and your crew really lucky to be alive, yeah.
Nah, they're not lucky, they are good enough for that.
Scheduled for review of your pilot and mechanics so they can inspect. That won't be necessary this time. Alex and Amos are both off station on personal business.
They already
What the fuck do you think I'm running here?
are already away.
Got a problem? Take it up with him.
Believe me, I will. Your ship has been taking up a valuable slip for way too fucking long. More special treatment, and no more belts of rift.
You're not a fan of old guys?
I call that stealing.
You don't know them and what they did.
Whose flag is flying?
Leader, I have something for you.
Love you, Fred. Missed you.
Not for this.
You found Philippe.
We have no PA informing there who's familiar with the innermost faction. This is your son.
Oh, Naomi. Oh, my dear. That was the first time that she really saw him, you know, as an adult. His face, I mean. For life, he's gonna be forced to do that.
Everything okay?
Yeah, just a couple things I have to know with.
You're not gonna tell him?
Okay.
Not by fun, you know, but she's gonna tell him.
Scientists and archaeologists continue to speculate about the function of the engine, as well as what awesome power.
What I said in intro. He's gonna be the one, you know, he's gonna continue to keep an eye on the proto situation. This is gonna be his narrative arc, you know. He's gonna be the connection with the proto during this season. Hello, my baby! I miss you! Sorry.
Think you're in the wrong place, Copain. Just past that.
Copain? That's a French word for friend, you know.
No. Why? No. You are to that. Be nice to visit Earth. Not have so much gravity. We'll have more some good for us.
He doesn't want to talk with you. No, she didn't die.
We have a new service for passenger. Infra insurance for protect yourself and once you love. Optional, of course, but pay if you want.
We are calling that racket in French. I don't know in English.
There was a time I got caught in a reactor crawl space when a coolant pipe blew. And that coolant is radioactive as fuck. You'll survive. You breathe it in though, get those radioactive particles.
You want to take money from him?
Good for you. I gotta learn some things about myself. I learned that I could hold my breath for almost 2 minutes while engaging in physical stressful activity.
So you don't want to mess with him?
How much damage do you think I could do to you in 2 minutes before the knockout gas gets to me?
There a problem, Kate?
Roy,
Oh no.
What crew you run with?
The Rosnante.
Never heard of you.
You
Oh!
I'm out of context here.
Might be, you fucked up, Coyle? Sooner or later.
Let's go! No? Sooner or later, we're gonna have it.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm gonna go take a shower.
You crazy kid, you know what I'm doing?
Hey, wait.
Smart and take the beating. Better if you do.
Be better if you stop talking to him like that. Only 4 guys? Not enough. What? Why? Ah. Hey, you're hurt. Why the music? Like he was an animal during that moment. He was savage and all.
Make that too.
I don't want to be worried about that, but I know that I should.
trust me. Inside I'm a mess.
Yes, you are.
Was on Eros and ran wild until you and your friend Miller and Julie now burned it up in Venus, and now a big ring-shaped hunk of it. So did you get a sample of it?
Oh, we're gonna talk about that again?
All the protomolecule in the solar system was destroyed.
Liar.
Why else would someone be doing protomolecular research at a secret facility in the Belt?
They are?
My source? Everyone who's had the protomolecule in their hands felt they knew what it was, and every one of them was wrong. I tell you, I think you know what it'll do next.
I don't.
And if you do, you have a responsibility to let the people know.
Too dangerous. But to search for this information, you know? What she said, yes. If she's not stupid, she's gonna follow you. Who are you? You're gonna see him ordering to kill these persons. The Razorback? Alex?
Okay, sorry, I'm not trying to show off.
Your family?
Call Bobby Draper. Leave a message.
I love their relationship.
Right on schedule. Looking forward to having drinks and seeing you in person.
Yes!
See you there, partner.
Did you make peace with yourself, Bobby? What you can do?
Like I said, we're done. Don't contact me again.
Use a geo lady. Voice only.
The old lady?
My team to purchase power.
Draper! You're working
Unfortunately, there is
together.
another contact in the process. I think the doors are closing. It feels like the operation could be shutting down and we're running out of time. It'll take $500K Martian to make the deal. I know it's a lot. I truly appreciate your faith in me, man, and I do not intend to let you down.
Love that.